Let's talk about using the Grammarly extension, especially with Google Translate. So in your search bar, just go ahead and type in Google Extension Store or just Google Extensions. Should pull it right up. Then in the search bar, type in Grammarly, and you should see this pop up. If you see Rate It for an icon, you probably already have it on your computer. If you see Add to Chrome, just go ahead and click Add to Chrome. If you see Rate It, just go into More Tools, go down to Extensions. This will give you a list of extensions that are already downloaded or available on your computer. And you can see Grammarly here. Go ahead and click it so it gets turned back on. One of the things I like about this app is it does give students a little bit more help. Google Translate does give them some spelling suggestions down here, which this does do quite well. You can see also it's helping them out. This sometimes is misleading. It doesn't quite give them the right words for it. But I've just found it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier for students to use this than some of the tools. But again, you can see using these two tools combined, they get a lot more help. For instance, here it's not correct, but down here it is. Another thing that I like about this tool is it does work in their email also, and say on Canvas or any other data entry point. You can use it in Google Docs also. And it's about the same no matter what program or application you use it with. I just really like that feature because I found that it's much easier, especially for EL students. However, you will find some things like this. Oh, now it's popping up. Sometimes it doesn't quite pick up. Wit, obviously, is a word, but you can see until I corrected some other parts of the sentence, it didn't pop up. Grammarly it is a little bit more sophisticated than some of the spell check programs. So you can see there are some flaws to it, but Grammarly is actually a very nice program, and you can get it to sync with almost anything you use. I hope that helps.